Namaste and Taji Telegdu everyone. Today I would like to share something very meaningful in Buddhist practice. How to do prostration in front of Buddha. Nowadays many people prostrate in front of Buddha, stupa and lamas. However, only a few truly know the correct way to prostrate. If you would like to learn how to do it properly, please watch this full video. Before we learn the steps, let us understand the deeper meaning of prostration. Prostration is not just the movement of the body, it is the language of the heart. When we bow down, we are gently letting go of pride, anger, and ego. We are opening our heart to humility, gratitude, and compassion. We do not bow to a statue. We bow to the wisdom of the Buddha, to the compassion that heals suffering, and to the path that leads us towards peace. Now I will guide you through the practice step by step. The first step in prostration is standing correctly. Stand firmly and upright in front of Buddha, stupa or lama. Keep your body relaxed, your shoulder soft and your spine straight. And then the second step is to join the hand according to the Avalokiteswara style. Keep all your fingers tightly together without any gaps, just like in the sacred statue of Avalokiteswara. Tuck both thumbs inside the palm so they touch lightly. Create a small rounded space in the center like a nurbu or sacred jewel. And now we move to the third step. First, bring your joined hand to the forehead. This represents the purification of the mind. Second, bring your hand to the throat. This represents the purification of speech. Third, bring your hand to the heart. This represents the purification of the mind and intention. This practice symbolizes offering your body, speech, and mind with respect, humility, and devotion. Now we move to the fourth and final step. Gently lower your body, place your hand on the ground, and touch your forehead to the floor with sincerity. Then slowly rise and stand upright again, keeping your hand joined in respect.